Pay ROs with APs and APs with ARs. If you owe a company a bill and that company has work done at your shop, we can trade that work in MaxxTraxx. Let's take a look. Let's say we owe ALLDATA $150 for a monthly subscription to repair data. This is an AP. And let's also say an ALLDATA employee got their car worked on at our shop. Because I have this vendor and this customer linked, I'm clicking here to view the customer record and clicking the customer options button and selecting view and edit record type. You can see I have this record selected as both a customer and a vendor. Now let's go to pay this invoice. See the red credit available warning flashing? There's at $150 we owe ALLDATA. Let's click the Use Credits for Payment button, and here is this credit available, amount due on the RO, and I'm going to click in the Use column to apply the amount we owe ALLDATA towards this RO, and it automatically enters the amount used here on the right. Click OK, and here it shows credit used, and click Finish. And now under Pay Bills, I only owe ALLDATA $106.29. This works the same for our accounts payable. Let's say we want to pay Napa. We're going to pay them $554.95 worth of outstanding invoices. I would check this box to show open AR transactions that can be applied as payment. Again, because I have the customer record and the vendor record linked ahead of time. Now I'll scroll down and I now show the AR they owe us. I'll use that credit, click Next, and I'll write a check for the balance. Now remember, we need to either create the customer record from the vendor record or vice versa before entering transactions to link these accounts together for this feature to work. But oftentimes you already have two separately created records which are not linked with activity already listed in both records, which is what I have for bills towing. Let's take a look. And we can see here these accounts are not linked. So what do we do now? We need to create a new customer record from the existing vendor record that will link them together. So I would start by marking the existing customer record old before I create a new customer record from the vendor account so I can tell them apart. So we'll go under Options and View and Edit Record Type and make a customer from here. Next, I would go back into the old customer record and transfer the vehicles to the new customer record for their history. Then I would write a credit for the outstanding balance on the old account and create an invoice in the new account for that outstanding balance. And now our customer and vendor records are linked. And this concludes the lesson on Pay ROs with APs and APs with ARs.